like this, Imagine.
From mindset to materialization.
This
Which
happened.
version of you do you like best?
I don't know. Exactly. And this is just with words. So there's no more prompts. I just say I want to change it to this or that, and it happens instantly now with the new version.
Yeah.
You can say, let's do dynamic adaptation. Again, it happens in 1 second. You generate all of these variants, And you don't need those prompts. People say there's all these magical spells. You don't say that. You say, I want to turn Woody into a still from a Western, right? Or replace a fruit with cake. So it also becomes more natural. What are interfaces in the future? Interfaces are nothing. It's all about human extension. And it's about information theory is at the core of all computer science. Information is valuable in as much as it changes its state. Now we finally have a friend to be with us all the time that can bring us the most valuable information and the most valuable state changes.
You're a 20-year-old on our Zoom audience here or in the room, or 23-year-old, and you're trying to decide what to do now. What is your advice?
You just throw yourself 100% into this. It's the biggest change in society ever. It'll be more disruptive than the pandemic in the next year or two. And I led the United Nations AI Initiative against COVID-19, kayak, helping organize the world's COVID knowledge and making it accessible and useful.
Yeah.
So I saw that coming. It'll be for positive and negative, because you can do things that can never be heard of. As an example, we have an upscaler. It goes from 128 pixels to 4K in 1.5 seconds. That to that.
That's amazing.
What can you do with that? This is the thing. You are given now the recipes and tools. What can you do? So there's going to be 1,000 companies spending $10 million each this year. I spoke to one of the big 4 accounting firms. They were like, do we need auditors anymore? I'm like, probably not as many. All right? And then they said, okay, we're going to spend $300 million in the next 2 quarters trying to figure this out.
But that's times many, many firms.
Everything, everywhere, all at once. And again, this is the mimeticness. We've seen this type of thing happen, like with the Silicon Valley Bank collapse.
Yeah.
Our society's become more and more connected. And we've talked about expert systems. I mean, how long have we talked about expert systems for?
Yeah, a bit.
Yonks. They're here now, right? And again, this is why you can do these crazy things. Like, why don't you create your own studio? So, no, how do we play this?
We play this video, you speak, and it magically happens.
Play.
There we go.
This is a video, rock, paper, scissors, that was done using our technology by 2 guys in like 4 days.